April is National Poetry Month, and the Downriver Council for the Arts is celebrating this by hosting the art exhibit Loud.
Her name is unknown, but she doesn't answer to that.
This art exhibit is open to any and all forms of media. Translate a poem into visual art, create a piece that reflects or evokes the emotions you may feel when reading poetry, or simply submit a poem in text form. Deadline to enter is Tuesday, March 23rd by 5:00 p.m. Loud is both an in-person and online exhibit. Submissions can be either or both. The exhibit runs from March 26th through April 24th, with an opening reception Friday, March 26th from 6 o'clock to 8:00 p.m. that's free and open to the public. Social distancing and mask restrictions do apply. For more information, go to www.downriverarts.org.